If you have a problem in the taskbar shortcut, we can fix it in few steps or few different tools. First thing, which is obvious, check the Windows update first. Maybe the build you have in the Windows is old or the last update was buggy, then there's a new update can fix that problem you have. If still you have the same problem, simply go to the Task Manager and restart the Windows Explorer, because that is part of the taskbar. By restarting the Windows Explorer, can that help you fix that problem? Third thing we can try is use the SFC tool by going to the command prompt on as administrator, go sfc-scannow and let it run and check if you have any corrupted files or corrupted system files. And after that finished, if you find out there is a problem, then you have to run the command below. I'll keep it in the description, where DISM command that will fix for you any problem you have on these files. Make sure to restart the Windows after each action. We can do as well a registration or register of the Action Center by going to the PowerShell and as administrator, run the command I'll give you below in the description. And after that done and finished, make sure to restart your Windows and see if that helps you to fix the problem. We have one more try with the services. You can just run services by clicking the window R, services.msc, and go to the connected device platform services. From there, just select the type as automatic and apply it. If you see still the service not starting, go to the start and click start and start it, start the service, then restart your Windows and see if that helps you or not. I think if you try all these, you try everything and still that did not resolve the issue for you, you can reinstall your Windows or start with a clean setup of Windows. If that's very important to you to run that command, or wait for the next update, maybe that can help you fix this issue. Let me know in the comment below if you have any other solution or that any of these ways help you to resolve the issue. Thank you for watching and see you on next video. Peace.